Are your students overwhelmed trying to find that one data story buried in a 50-page economic report? While NotebookLM is great at distilling complex sources into text summaries or audio overviews, it can also translate that data into high-impact visuals. Using the Infographic tool, you can model how to turn lengthy reports into clean, visual assets that spotlight key statistics. Imagine you're delivering a course in accounting and finance. You've assigned students with a complex 50-page economic impact study on digital currencies. The challenge is rapid, precise comprehension. First, upload the full PDF study into your NotebookLM project as a source. In the Studio panel, click the pencil icon on the Infographic button, and then use this prompt to extract the core insights. Identify the 3 most significant quantitative data points regarding the 2025 cryptocurrency market capitalization, daily trading volumes compared to equity markets, and the specific rise in compliance costs due to EU regulations. NotebookLM generates a visually streamlined asset that isolates those top 3 statistics, allowing students to grasp financial impact in minutes. To extend this to a more advanced layout, simply go back to the Studio panel to generate a net new asset. Click the pencil icon again, perhaps choosing the detailed level of detail this time, and type this: a summary table comparing the primary drivers of adoption for the United States, Europe, and emerging markets. NotebookLM scans the regional analysis and outputs a second distinct infographic in a clean comparison format. Modeling this method shows your students how to distill complex reports into visually clean, actionable summaries, elevating their data-driven communication skills. Okay, now it's your turn. Head over to notebooklm.google.com to get started.